Hello.
Yeah,
Am I
hi.
audible?
Yeah,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also good.
Hey,
I
you are.
think there was some network glitch.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. You are so
Yeah.
cute.
Thank you so much. You too.
Oh, thank you, thank you. So, Vedika,
Uh,
before we proceed, can you
yeah,
please tell me something about yourself?
yeah, surely. Hello, I'm Vedika and I'm from West Bengal. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA English honors and I love teaching.
You
Okay.
love
Teaching.
teaching.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, you are a teacher. Have you ever
Yeah.
taught?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
So, you must
Not
be
in school,
English
but in
teacher.
home. Yeah.
Yeah,
English teacher. Yeah.
that's great. So,
Uh,
are you
you
preparing
are
for?
from Haryana, right?
Yes, I'm
If
from.
I'm not that wrong. Yeah, I've seen many of your videos.
Oh,
And
thank you.
I also wanted to connect with you. That's why I mailed you. Yeah.
So nice of you. So I was asking that are you preparing for any government exam? Like, are you
No,
preparing for
currently I have
BEd?
currently have done my teacher training course from Asian College of Teachers, and my college is from SSC Havra. Yeah.
SSC Howrah. Yeah. So great. So
Yeah.
why have you chosen this platform? I think you are speaking so well.
I know, practice make one, good,
Yes.
be it in any field. It's not just about English, speaking English or written English. Until and unless you don't practice things, it is not going to work. So
Yeah, you're
practice.
right.
Yeah.
So what are your
Yeah.
hobbies, Vedika? What you like doing?
I love teaching. See, basically, I love teaching. I'm
Okay.
interested in dancing too, but I don't know how to dance.
You're interested but don't know how to do. Wow, so that's great. Yeah, same with me
Yeah.
also. I'm also very fond of dance, but when it comes to the dancing part, no, I don't know how to dance. But yes,
Yeah.
on Punjabi songs, I love to dance.
Oh, what is
Yeah,
the current situation in Haryana?
it's not good.
It is improving. Is it improving?
Yeah, if we talk about number of cases, yeah, numbers are coming down, but we if we see the death rate, mortality rate, situation is still same. So we cannot comment on it. According to me, things are still same as it used to be earlier.
So you need to be in precaution,
Yes, yes, we
Yeah.
are trying, we are trying, we are at home only. And how's the
Don't ship.
situation in West Bengal?
It is quite improving, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
It is better than before. The number of cases has increased a lot in these last 15 days. But now it's better.
So
It's
West Bengal
improving.
is still under lockdown, I think.
Yeah. Till 15 June it is.
Okay, so it's completely under lockdown, or it's partial lockdown.
No, it's a partial lockdown. Yeah.
Okay, like you can go outside for buying anything.
Yeah. In the morning. Now it has begun till afternoon.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. So great. So, okay, do you love shopping?
Yeah, absolutely. But
Yeah.
not online. No,
Huh?
I don't like online shopping.
You don't
I don't
like
like
online
online shopping.
shopping. So,
Yeah, I like to go
nowadays,
and
how
scroll the
you are
shop.
doing your shopping? Nowadays, how you
I'm
are doing your shopping?
See, now the situation has become critical, so you don't have any other options. But if I would have option, I would definitely choose store shopping.
Store
I
shopping.
don't like,
Yeah.
yeah, until and unless you don't try things and then buy, it is not that worth.
Yes, yes.
But
That's
when
very
you
true.
when you don't have, but when you don't have options, you can't do anything. Yeah,
You
that's the
cannot.
thing.
So, have you
You
ever
like
tried?
shopping?
Yeah, I love shopping.
I think you like. I think you like online shopping, isn't it?
Not exactly, but yeah, nowadays I have started online shopping only because I love
Okay.
shopping. I cannot live without shopping.
Uh,
I love
okay.
using new clothes, new jewelries, new shoes. I'm very fond of all these things. So I cannot
Oh, that's
survive without these clothing and accessories and shoes.
Yeah.
Yes, so I like this. So
I
nowadays
think
I
most
have
of us
started.
like
Yes,
this.
yes, yes, yes. Tell me,
I
please.
think most of us like shopping. You know, there is some rare cases that people don't like shopping. I am not
Yes, yes,
saying
true, true, true.
it is
Nowadays,
rare.
I have tried Mintra, and I it's very
Is
good.
it good?
Yes, it's
Yeah, the
good.
quality of it.
Mintra is offering good quality products. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
it's slightly expensive than other website, but quality wise, it's awesome.
Oh,
Till now, I haven't find anything wrong if I talk about the quality part. It's good.
okay, okay.
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
actually, yesterday also I was talking to a West Bengal lady. She was from Kolkata.
Yeah, I've seen her. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I've seen many of your videos that is
Yes,
coming.
you guys are
Yeah,
so
you are talking
nice.
with. Oh, thank you. Same
Yes,
to you.
yes.
Yeah.
Especially, I love your tradition a lot. When it comes, especially when it comes to your attire and your that chuda you wear, white
Have you
and red
visited
color.
here?
Sorry.
Have you visited?
No,
Have
no,
you
I haven't
visited?
visited, but yeah, yeah, I do have some friends from Kolkata, so I know that.
Okay.
Yes,
You
yes.
must visit once, you know. You will
I
like
would
it.
love to. I would love to.
Yeah.
Because I'm very fond of jewelry also, so I want to buy something from Kolkata, because Kolkata, I think West Bengal
Because you know,
is.
when it comes to shopping and all, it is the place you can visit at
Yes,
least once.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. I want to buy jewelry from Kolkata.
Okay, then come.
Yes,
After
I will
work.
definitely come. Actually, I have asked my friends so many times that whenever you visit your city, please bring me something in gold.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I think Kolkata
That's
is popular for jewelry part also.
yeah.
Yes,
And
yes.
all the festivals that are celebrated here is, you know, incredible.
Especially your Durga Puja. Durga
Yeah.
Puja is worldwide famous, and I love that.
Yeah.
When I used to be in Delhi, I used to visit so many stalls in Durga Puja. You say pandal, I think.
Yeah, yeah,
So
exactly, exactly.
beautiful. You forget everything once you enter that pandal. Wow.
And the vibe that arrives there is, you know, awesome.
Yes, we cannot describe that feeling.
Yeah,
See, first
absolutely.
we see that beautiful Durga Mata's murti, and then
Yeah,
the beautiful Bengali ladies wearing that white and red color sari, and playing that I think sindoor. What you say, I don't know.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's so nice of you. You people are rich of culture. I must appreciate it.
yeah. It is a city of joy. Yeah,
It's
Kolkata is
true.
a city. Yeah,
True, and by
yeah.
heart also you are so nice. I have three friends from Kolkata, and they are very nice.
Oh,
Yes,
mm,
they're very nice. Nowadays, they all have, some have moved to Mumbai, one has moved to Hong Kong, and one I think is still in Kolkata. They are in touch with me. They're so nice. So
okay.
what else you like, Vedika? So first tell me, who gave you this name, Devika? Vedika, sorry.
My brother. My
Brother.
brother gave me. Yeah.
Oh, this is so nice
Yeah.
name, Vedika. And what's your
Yeah.
brother
Tell me
name?
something about yourself.
Okay. Uh, I am Sarita, as you know, and I am basically from Haryana. And I did my graduation from Haryana itself. And nowadays, I am very crazy about spoken English, because I
Yeah.
thought that sitting in this lockdown, I should something to improve my skills or to enhance my skills. So one day I was going through so many YouTube videos where I saw that people are talking to each other. So I thought, okay, I should also try this and see. It's giving such a nice experience. I have improved a lot.
And also,
Yes,
we are getting the opportunity to talk with each other, even though we don't know each other,
we don't know each
right?
other. Really,
Yeah,
really.
but still we're talking.
See this
Yeah.
learning. This learning has created a connection between the people.
Yes, absolutely,
Yes,
absolutely.
yesterday I was watching my videos, and I found that yes, there is some improvement in my speaking. So it's really working.
Actually, you are improving your English like nothing else, because I have seen actually the first video I have seen of yours was with Clapping Go teacher. Yes. Okay. Then after I have seen that you are talking with people also, and I thought, let's try if you can connect with me.
Yes,
and
it's really working.
To talk to that yeah.
It's really working.
Yeah. So are you enjoying this journey of talking with people?
Yes,
from different
because I get to learn so many things from the people when I speak to them. See, I am talking to you, and whatever you are speaking, I'm trying to feed that in my mind. The vocabulary you are using, I'm trying to catch that. So yes, it's giving me a lot of learning also.
Where this idea came in your mind, to improve your English, and you must have seen something and then thought, no, I have to learn English, and yes, I have to catch this language. And
yes,
then you actually, there must be some inspiration of yours.
Yes,
what was that?
It is. So see, Vedika, I was good in all my studies, and I have learned English as a subject throughout my studies. So one day I got a call from the call center, and the person was talking to me in English, and I was unable to answer him. There was some hindrance inside me which was hindering me speaking in English. So that day I felt very bad that, look, I know English, but I cannot speak English. Then I discussed this thing with my family.
This is a problem, with not only with you, but many of other people also, that they understand, but they don't know how to pronounce or how to speak.
Yes, yes, because we are not surrounded by that environment. See, you are living in West Bengal, so you people are comfortable in Bengali. We live in North India, so we people are thinking our local language, Haryanvi, and in Hindi. So whenever someone starts speaking in English, I just used to saw at his face, and I used to just see how this person can speak in English. Why can't I? So everyone needs that kick. Yes. So
without that kick, nothing is going to happen. It's not just spoken English, but in everything.
Until unless you will speak, you are not going to learn this language. See, as you said earlier, yes, as you said earlier, the practice makes us perfect. Whether we are doing anything regarding our home chores, or we are doing something in our language or in our professional life, see, we need to practice a lot. Yes. Nowadays, I see so many children, they speak so well. Like a 4-year-old baby can speak English, but yes, he is surrounded by that environment, and we are not.
Yeah, exactly. The lack of environment,
True.
Lack of environment.
Yes, but this platform has given us that opportunity. Like, we can speak to the different people who wants to learn like us.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. So it's very, very good experience, actually. So how many people you have conversed with like we are conversing?
This is the first one I'm talking with you.
Is it? And why so?
Yeah.
Sorry, I have just started posting my videos in the YouTube, but there are so many YouTubers who had started their journey in last year only, in 2020. So why this idea came in your mind right now only? Why didn't earlier?
No. Earlier I was busy with some of my, educational work, so I didn't get that time,
Okay.
But now when I have searched and I have seen your videos and then tried to connect with you.
Yes, you must. You are speaking so well. You are good in vocabulary also.
Thank you.
And see, I get to learn so many things from you, to be very frank. So thank you so much giving me this opportunity, Vedika. You are younger to me, but still I'm saying you thank you so much.
No, ma'am, please.
Yes,
I'm actually overwhelmed with your words, with your kind words, actually.
Yes, actually, Vedika, this is a two-way process. Something I learned from you, something you will learn from me. Somehow I'll get
This
that
is what
confidence.
practice is, you know. Yes. You learn from me, I learn from you. This is what
True,
practice
true.
and
This is a
learning.
two-way
This is the
process.
actually I am overwhelmed to talk to you. You know, I've seen you in YouTube
Same here,
videos.
Vedika.
Talk to you.
So let's call it for the day, and we will connect any other day.
Yeah, absolutely, surely.
So it's nice talking to you, Vedika. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.